Vandenberg Scales has combined our knowledge and experience in weighing and washdown capabilities with EvoLabel to unlock exciting new potentials in weigh price label printing performance. This new partnership gives you greater possibilities with improved throughput. The new EvoLabel printer applicator can accomplish the following. Print a 3-inch long label and apply it at rates up to 120 per minute with no loss of label readability. Features a print head which can be changed out in less than a minute without tools. Simplified label stock routing allows roll changes in less than 20 seconds. Printer applicator is on a bracket which can be rotated to access all parts of the unit. Controller replacement time is less than a minute. Verified print speeds up to 15 inches per second. 4.25 inch width by 9.4 inch length label printing. Labels as small as 1.18 inch width by 0.79 inch length. Accommodates up to a 12-inch label roll. Ethernet, CAN open, and RS-232 communication. Applicators can be blow vacuum, belt, tamp, E-tamp, E-wipe large, E-wipe 90, and wipe large. Heat compensated print function is built into the unit. 300 dpi print resolution. Contact us today to learn how our new partnership can enhance your printing performance and be the solution you've been looking for years.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see our latest videos, check out our website, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. Links are in the description. If you have any questions, be sure to mention them in the comment section below.